People's Health Clinic is a nonprofit in Park City, Utah. We provide quality health care for the uninsured of Summit and Wasatch County. We benefit the community by providing health care for our most at-risk population. We keep people whenever they're most vulnerable. We provide them health care so that before they get so sick that they have to seek out emergency care. So we keep people out of emergency rooms and we keep them healthier so that they can be more productive in the workplace. It's important for our community to remain healthy so that they can be productive, so that they can show up for work, so that they can take care of their families, so that they can be a vibrant part of the Park City community, so that they can be available for their families and for their community. We here at the clinic believe that every individual deserves a health home and the ability to maintain good health. If for some reason they become unhealthy or fall ill or have any sort of illness, we believe that it affects them personally. First of all, they don't feel well, especially in the case of a diabetic patient or a pre-diabetic patient. Without the care that we provide them, they will continue to become sicker. It's statistically, today in the United States, 1/2 of all adult members of our country have diabetes or pre-diabetes, either diagnosed or undiagnosed. Of those, 70% of the pre-diabetic patients will become diabetic, and they could suffer loss of limb. They would suffer all of the conditions that go along with being diabetic, all the way to death. So by providing them with the health care that they need and the education that they need, even including just diagnosis, because you can walk around pre-diabetic and even diabetic and not realizing that you have the disease. So one of our missions here at the clinic is to make sure that we take care of these individuals, keeping them healthy so that they can be healthy for their families, so that they can be productive in the community, so that they can show up for work. More than 90% of our patients have at least one job. Many of those have 2 and 3 jobs. So without the care that we provide, they would not be able to provide for their families. Poor health has a cascading effect in our community. It starts out with the individual, but then it affects their family, which affects then their ability to show up for work, to get their children to school, to provide a healthy work environment with those that they work with in their communities, as well as the industry that we so depend on them to run, as far as our ski community here in Park City and our restaurants, our golf courses. We depend heavily on this workforce, and if they're not well, we can't provide the tourism dollars to the state.